Hello students, let us start to solve the exercise 6.2. We will we are going to take the question number 3 because question number 1 and 2 are objective type questions, so that you can solve it by yourself. So let us see how to solve question number 3. Figure is drawn on the board, and in this figure it is given that LM is parallel to CB. This line is parallel to this one, and LN is parallel to this CD. Now we have to prove this. Okay, so let us prove. At first we will take the triangle ABC. So write in triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB, therefore by BPT, by Thales theorem, we can write AM upon AB, we can write AM upon AB equal to AL upon AC. This is equation 1. Now just move into the triangle ADC. So in triangle ACD, parallel lines are LN and CD. LN parallel CD, therefore by BPT we can write AN upon ND equal AN upon AD, AN upon AD equal AL upon AC. Just see here in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2, this right hand side AL upon AC, and here also AL upon AC. It means that right hand sides are equal. So if right side are equal, then left hand side will also be equal. So we can write from equation 1 and 2, AM upon AB equal AN upon AD. Let's see, it has been proved. Okay. Just now come to the next question. In this question it is given that DE is parallel, this DE is parallel to AC, this one. And also DF is parallel to AE, this one. Okay, then we have to prove this. So let us solve. Look, we will take whatever we have done in this question, just we are going to do same thing in this figure. At first, just take a triangle. We will going to take the triangle where the two lines are parallel. At first DE and AC. So where is DE? This is DE and this is AC. So DE is parallel to AC. It means we have to take the triangle ABC. So just write in triangle ABC, and the parallel sides are, in triangle ABC, the parallel sides are DE parallel AC. Therefore by BPT we can write, we have taken the bigger triangle, so we can write BD upon AD equal BD upon AD equal, the triangle is from here, BE upon EC. This is equation number 1. Now for the second equation, just move into the second triangle. The second triangle, where now in triangle, just see DF and AE. DF, this one is DF and this one is AE. These are parallel, so we have to take the triangle ABE. So in triangle ABE, and the parallel sides are DF parallel AE. Therefore by BPT by BPT we can write BD upon DA, BD upon AD like that, equal, triangle is from here ABE, so BF upon EF, BF upon EF. This is equation number 2, and from equation number 1 and 2 you can conclude that again the left hand sides are equal. So if the left hand side are equal, then we can write the right hand side also equal. So just write B upon EC equal to BF upon EF. So in this way it has been proved. So we have done the question number 4. Now let us move to the next question, and this is question number 5. Again the figure is given for this question. So we have to draw the figure at first. So question number 5. Draw the figure. A triangle is there. So the name of this triangle is ABC. No, sorry, it is PQR. PQR. Okay. Draw the figure. It is like this. Take the name. This is O, EF, D, QR. So this is PQR, PQR, EF, OD. Okay, here in this figure it is given that DE parallel OQ, DE parallel OQ. This one is parallel to this one, and DF parallel OR. So we have to prove that EF parallel QR. So this is the question. So now see how can we do this. Proof. In this question, at first D is given, D parallel OQ is given. So if DE, this DE is parallel to OQ, then we are in triangle POQ. So we may also write in triangle POQ. This one is given. So by BPT we can write, just look here, we are in triangle number POQ, and this one is parallel. So we can write PE upon EQ. This is P, this is EQ equal to PD upon OD. This is question number 1. Now just take DF and OR. DF, this side, and OR is this side. So triangle is POR. In triangle POR, DF parallel OR. It is also given in the question. So if DF is parallel to OR, so by BPT we can write this one and this one is parallel. So we can write PF upon FR. PF upon FR is equal to PD upon OD. Equation number 2. Now see from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, left hand side are not equal. It's this time right hand side are equal. This and this. So LHS will also be equal. So we can write PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR. So just see in the figure, PE upon EQ equal PF upon FR. Therefore, by converse of BPT, we can write EF parallel QR. कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि अगर ये रेशियो साइड्स का इक्वल होगा तो लाइंस पैरेलल होती हैं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. अगेन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द फिगर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A triangle is there. So this is the figure PQR and ABC. This is O. Now the given in the question that AB parallel PQ, AC parallel PR. To prove DC parallel QR. Now see. Okay, so whatever the things are given, we have to use this AB and parallel to PQ. This is AB, this is PQ. So AB and PQ, it means that we are in a triangle POQ. So in triangle POQ, it is given that AB parallel PQ. So if AB and P is parallel, PQ is parallel, therefore by BPT we can write, these sides are parallel, we can write OA upon PA, OA upon AP or PA equal to OB upon BQ. This is equation number 1. This one, this are parallel, then OA upon AP equal to OB upon BQ. Now in triangle AC and PR, so this is AC, this is PR, so triangle is POR. Here it is given that AC parallel PR, therefore by BPT we can write OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR. So OA upon AP equal to OC upon CR. Now see from equation 1 and 2. Look here, left hand side are same, equal. So right hand side can be right in equal. So OB upon BQ equal to OC upon CR. Now see in the figure, you will find that OB upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. So in this triangle, by therefore in triangle OQR, by converse of BPT, we can say that DC is parallel to QR, and hence it is proved. So this was question number 6. Let us see question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, we have to prove that that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. This is known as the midpoint theorem, as you have studied in standard 9. Sorry. So let us see how we will solve this question here by using theorem 6.1. So we have to draw a figure, a triangle ABC. This is ABC. A line drawn through the midpoint of one side. Let us have this side. This is the midpoint. A line drawn parallel. This D is parallel to BC. So parallel to one side, parallel to another side, bisect the third side. तो ये बताना है कि अगर D parallel है BC के, तो ये AE और EC इक्वल होगा. So given that D is midpoint of AB and DE parallel BC. Then we have to prove that कि AE equal EC. So let us prove here. So since D is the midpoint, अगर D midpoint है of AB, therefore we can write AD by DB equal to 1/1. मतलब जो रेशियो AD और DB का होगा, मतलब AD और DB दोनों इक्वल होंगे, इसलिए इनका रेशियो 1/1. नाउ जस्ट सी के ऑल्सो DE parallel BC, it is given. So therefore by BPT we can write AD upon DB equal AE upon EC. Equation number 2. By comparing the equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, you can conclude that the AD by DB equal to 1/1. So here we can write left hand side are equal, right hand side will be also equal. So just you can write that AE upon EC equal to 1/1. So after getting the cross multiplication, we will get AE equal to AC, and this has been proved now. Okay, the next question is question number 8. He proved that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. तो इसमें बताना है कि अगर ये दोनों ही मिड पॉइंट है तो ये DE जो है BC के पैरेलल होगा. तो लेट अस प्रूव दिस. फिगर विल बी सेम. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, it is given that D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of AC, and to prove we have to prove that DE parallel BC. So let us prove here. Start from there. Since D is midpoint of AB, therefore AD by DB equal 1/1. Also E is midpoint of AC. D midpoint है AB का, तो AD by DB 1/1 सेम होगा, और उसी तरह AE by EC 1/1. So therefore AE by EC equal 1/1. From equation 1 and 2 you can see that the right side are equal, y side are 1/1. So we can write AD by DB equal AE by EC. So look here, if AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then by converse of, therefore by converse of BPT, we can say that D is parallel to BC, and this has been proved. Next question, just see question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium. This time ABCD is a trapezium. So draw ABCD as a trapezium. So this one ABCD, it is a trapezium, and diagonals will also be there. Diagonal bisect at O, intersect at O, sorry. The ABCD is a trapezium and diagonals AC and BD are intersect at O. Show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. So here in this question it is given that ABCD is a trapezium and AB parallel CD. To prove AO upon BO equal CO upon DO. Construction, little bit construction is there. Draw this line OE. Construction, draw OE parallel AB. If it is parallel to AB, then it will also be parallel to CD. Okay, now prove. Take the triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, OE is parallel to DC. Therefore, by BPT, we can write AE upon ED. This line is parallel to this, so AE upon ED, and our triangle is ADC. So AE upon ED equal to AO upon CO. Question number 1. Now we will take this triangle DBA, so DAB. In triangle DAB, we can write again कि OE is parallel to AB. So by BPT, we can write this line is parallel to this AB. So we can write कि AE upon ED, AE upon ED equal to BO upon DO. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, look here, left hand sides are equal. So we can write AO upon CO equal BO upon DO. So we have to prove AO by BO. So just transfer this BO here and CO there. One more line. AO upon BO equal CO upon DO. This can be written in this way. No problem is there. So we have done the question number 9. One more question is remaining there. Question number 10. Hoping that you can solve it by yourself. Thank you. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye.